Hi guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we're talking about it's a product we touch on periodically. It's life insurance, right? So it doesn't have to be dreadful, but for those of you that that have it's obviously something you typically don't want to use or think about, because it obviously provides that payout in the event that something very bad happens to the policyholder, typically you. But in this case, in this article, it's a good slant because it's something. It's a tool available to those with life insurance that not many people think about. And the title of the article is, should you take out a loan against your life insurance policy, right? So, I mean, just off bat, I'm sure you're like, that's possible. And yes, it is. It obviously, that there's some caveats. One being that you can't do it with term life, right? Because there's literally no cash value in that product, right? You pay a premium. Hopefully you never have to use that within the term you're allotted, 10, 20, 30 years. At the end of the term, you're still alive. Everything is still all good. You guys part ways, right? You've paid premium for 10, 20, 30 years. You haven't died. The carrier doesn't need to pay out. So there's literally nothing to loan against. So this is for kind of whole life insurance, right? And in this case, you can do that because the life insurance is actually a financial tool which has a cash value that's appreciating, right? So when you borrow against it, you borrow against the cash value within your whole life insurance, right? The caveats are you need to obviously have paid on time, and your life insurance needs to have a cash balance, right? So a positive cash balance, and you can typically, and this is typically, the company allows you to borrow up to 1% of that cash balance, right, for your life insurance. Most say 90%, but it would be in the fine print. And if you're looking at this as an option, then I would assume that you're probably in financial straits, which is fine. This is a very good option because there are some good aspects to it. One, it doesn't go on your credit. There is no credit check to this. And this all makes sense when you take a step back and think about it, because it's your money, it's your premiums that you've been paying over the years, that have been accruing or gaining interest at perhaps a low rate, but gaining interest nonetheless. So it is your money. And then the payback period is whatever you want. The only rub, and then this is probably the best thing, is that it's untaxable, right? Under certain caveats, but it is untaxable in most cases. Now, there are situations where if you take out this loan, and you end up not paying the interest on the loan, and not repaying the loan back in full, it then could be a pretty hefty tax burden once that life insurance benefit is paid out, right? So keep that in mind. There are caveats and tricks and complexities to doing this that you will need to know in and out before taking it on. But as I stated before, if you're in a financial bind, it may not be a bad idea, right? Especially if you know this financial bind is discrete in nature, right? Whereby you can go in, borrow against what you've been paying for perhaps even decades, and then be able to repay it in a few years or something, right? As if nothing happened. Because once you repay it, including the interest payments, and the cash value is returned back to what it was, it's as if nothing has happened. No impact on your credit, no impact on the financial tool, the life insurance you've been nurturing for years. Everything is back to normal. But once again, there are complexities that come with each company and each policy. So if you do look into this as an option, make sure you're comfortable with the fine print on your particular policy. Okay? Thanks, guys, for stopping by. We'll chat next week. Hey, guys. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.